Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to discuss another trigonometry word problem. As Ariel stands on the bridge which is 100 feet above the water, he is looking at the coming barge. The angle of depression of the front of the barge is 35 degrees and the angle of depression of the rear of the barge is 25 degrees. How long is the barge? Okay, so Ariel stands on the bridge which is 100 feet, okay, above the water. He is looking at the coming barge. Okay, this is the barge. And the angle of depression of the front of the barge. Okay. The angle of depression is 35 degrees. And the angle of depression of the rear of the barge is 25 degrees. Okay, so this is the rear. So 25 degrees. Okay. And again, once again, using the properties of angles in parallel lines. So this is also a 35 degrees. And this one is also 25 degrees. Okay, so the question, how long is the barge? So let us make it simple for this illustration. Okay, so we have 100 feet, okay, this side, and we have the two right triangles. Okay. One is having 35 degrees and the other one is 25 degrees elevation. So what are we going to do here is, first step, we have to find the length of this side, okay, from this point to this point. Okay, we can name it x, right? And then, okay, let us change the color. Let's make it blue. Okay, from this point to this point, okay, let's call it y. All right, and then we can name this z. And let's change the color. Z or Z. Okay, from this point until here. Okay, so first step, let us find the value of x. So this is the first step. Okay, first. Okay, using 25 degrees. Okay, so this is the opposite. And we have to find the adjacent. So we are going to use, okay, let us use red. We're going to use, okay, tangent. Okay. Tangent 25 degrees equals, okay, opposite, which is 100, over adjacent, okay, which is x. Okay, doing the cross multiplication, we have 100 over tangent 25 degrees. So the value of x is, using your calculator and rounding off to one decimal place, okay, it's 214.5 and the unit is feet. Okay, so this is the first answer. Okay, next one, let us find the value of y. So let's change the color. Okay, still opposite and adjacent, so it's still tangent. For this time, okay, we are going to use 35 degrees. Okay, 100 over y. And y is equal to 100 over tangent 35 degrees. So y is equal to, using your calculator, 142.8 feet. Okay, so this is our value of y. And for the last step, oops, okay, we forgot. Okay, this is the second step. The last step, which is the third one. Okay, make it simple during the subtraction. So z or z is equal to x minus y. Okay, this side minus this side is equal to this side, which is the length of the barge. Our x is 214.5 feet. Okay, I don't have enough space, so I'm going to write it down here. 142.8 feet. Okay, the subtraction. And the answer is, right, 71.7 feet. So this is the length of the barge. Simple and easy. This is Concours TV. Thank you very much.